Autism after high school. Don't disappear, thrive as an autistic adult. Have you ever noticed that most autism stories seem to end right after high school graduation with something like they went to college and they lived happily ever after? Or more sadly, nothing. Silence. Disappearance. Except those stories did not end there. What happens after special ed ends? What happens after IEPs? After the accommodations disappear? For a lot of us, it is silence. It is mom's basements. It's institutional living, unemployment, disappearance. Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel, we inspire young adult autistics to thrive. Every 20 minutes, a child is born with autism. Every 20 years, that child grows up. And most of them, they're still trying to figure out how to live in a world that was never planned for their adulthood. See, for the first 18 years, the system teaches us how to be like other people, to sit still, to make eye contact, to mask, to perform. But when we grow up, we realize that we are not like other people. Not because we're broken, but because our brains are different. Autism is not a quirk of personality, it is a brain type. And the difference shows up in real ways, sometimes very beautiful and sometimes challenging. Most of us have what people call split abilities. Maybe we're crushing it academically, but completely exhausted by everything else. Maybe you've experienced autistic burnout, that quiet collapse that no one sees but takes everything out of you. Here's the thing, accepting and loving your autistic brain is one of the most freeing things you can ever do, because it releases you from the burden of self-rejection. You stop trying to earn the approval of others by pretending you're something you're not. You stop measuring your life by neurotypical milestones. You start living your own story. Stop expecting to be liked by everyone else. Expect to be different because you're different. That's not a flaw. It may be your foundation. And that's where this channel comes in. Because the truth is, being autistic as an adult isn't happily ever after. It's a path, it's a journey, and it's certainly not smooth. But it is possible for you to reach independence. That's why I make these videos, to bridge the gap from diagnosis to independence. To help you understand money, to help you understand and build a life. To help you to your own future. And that's why I've created the Bridge to Autistic Independence. It's a 5-ebook guide for your independence. Check the link below and get it today. Remember, we don't need fixing. We need tools. We need community. We need strategies that work for our kind of brain. And most of all, we need each other. So navigating autistic adulthood and trying to figure out how to make it work, subscribe. You're not alone. So, please offer the necessary sacrifices to the algorithmic God, like, comment, and subscribe, and listen to this channel to get on your way to independence. Don't disappear. Appear yourself and go for it. Thank you.